Nellore district, Kondapuram Mandalam, Kondapuram KGBV. My name is M. Padmavathi. I am teaching in biological science. Today I will discuss about 7th class topic weather and climate. You have already discussed about previous class in 6th class rain where does it come from? We have already discussed about weather and rain. You have thinking in rain, observing and thinking in rain. Rainfall, rainwater, clouds, trees, umbrella, water vapor, water, three forms. You have already discussed about your weather and rain. Today's topic is 7th class topic is weather and climate. Weather sometimes are normal day. Weather is sometimes are changes in day. Suppose weather reports. Understanding the weather reports. Weather is maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, sky, wind, humidity, sunrise, sunset. Maximum temperature day 1 28 degrees centigrade, day 2 27 degrees centigrade, day 3 29 degrees centigrade. Minimum temperature 21 degrees centigrade, day 2 17 degrees centigrade, day 3 21 degrees centigrade. Rainfall day 1 none, day 2 light shower, day 3 none. Sky day 1 clear, day 2 cloudy, day 3 cloudy. Wind day 1 very mild breeze, day 2 mild breeze, day 3 good breeze. Humidity day 1 95%, day 2 90%, day 3 85%. Sunrise day 1 6.25 am, day 2 6.30 am, day 3 6.31 am. Sunset day 1 5.40 pm, day 2 5.40 pm, day 3 5.41 pm. You can observe the students. Note down the notes. Note down the notes. You can observe the one time or you can repeat the table. Weather day 1, day 2, day 3. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, sky, wind, humidity, sunrise, sunset. Maximum temperature day 1 28 degrees centigrade, day 2 27 degrees centigrade, day 3 29 degrees centigrade. Minimum temperature day 1 21 degrees centigrade, day 2 17 degrees centigrade, day 3 21 degrees centigrade. Rainfall none, day 2 light shower, day 3 none. Sky day 1 clear, day 2 cloudy, day 3 cloudy. Wind very mild breeze, day 2 mild breeze, day 3 good breeze. Humidity 95%, day 2 90%, day 3 85%. Sunrise 6.25 am, day 2 6.30 am, day 3 6.31 am. Sunset 5.40 pm, day 2 5.40 pm, day 3 5.41 pm. The very important is weather forecast and weather report. The report that explains future conditions is weather is forecast. The report that explains future conditions is weather forecast. The report that explains about past conditions is weather report. Very important. You can write the notes. You can explain the weather condition, weather forecast to weather report. The report that explains future conditions is weather forecast. The report that explains about past conditions is weather report. Components of weather. Measuring components of weather. There are different types of measuring instruments to measure different weather components. There are different types of measuring instruments to measure different weather components. First one is temperature. Second one is rainfall. Third one is wind speed. Fourth one humidity. Measuring components of weather. There are different types of measuring instruments to measure different weather components. First, temperature, rainfall, wind speed, humidity. First of all, temperature. We explain the temperature. Temperature is called the measured by thermometer. Temperature is called by measuring the thermometer. Is normally temperature. Sometimes the place of lowest and highest temperature is called measured by 6 maximum minimum thermometer. 6 maximum minimum thermometer. You can observe the picture, students. Okay. We can draw the diagram in the notes. Very important. Examination point very important. 6 maximum minimum thermometer. Thermometer is called the measured by. Temperature is called the measured by thermometer. Sometimes one place lowest and highest temperature is called measured by 6 maximum minimum thermometer. You can observe the picture, students. There is a special thermometer to measure highest and lowest temperature of a day. The constant of cylindrical bulb A connected through a U-shape to spherical bulb B that contains alcohol. When the temperature increases, the alcohol in the bulb A expands. The mercury in the U-tube goes up to the bulb B side and the indicator also moves up. This indicates maximum temperature of the day. If the temperature decreases, alcohol in the bulb A constrains when the mercury in the U-tube goes to the A bulb side and the indicator also moves up. This indicates maximum temperature of the day. For example, table. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Day 1 maximum temperature. Date 2/7/2021. Day 1 maximum temperature is 38 degrees centigrade. Minimum temperature is 27 degree centigrade. Day 2, 3, 7, 2, 0, 2, 1. Maximum temperature is 37 degree centigrade. Minimum temperature is 28 degree centigrade. Day 3, maximum temperature is 39 degree centigrade. Minimum temperature is 26 degree centigrade. For example, 6 maximum minimum thermometer use ఉపయోగించి ఫస్ట్ డే maximum temperature minimum temperature ని కౌంట్ చేయొచ్చు. డే 1 maximum temperature 38 degree centigrade, minimum temperature 27 degree centigrade. Day 2 maximum temperature 37 degrees, minimum temperature 28 degree centigrade. Day 3 maximum temperature 29 degree centigrade, minimum temperature 26 degree centigrade. Next one is measuring rainfall. First temperature, next one is measuring rainfall. Farmers estimated the rainfall based on the wetness of the soil of the rain. They call it padunu. The call it is padunu. Farmers estimate the rainfall based on the wetness of the soil of the rain. They call it is padunu. This much of rainfall is sufficient to start agricultural activities. This much of rainfall is sufficient to start agricultural activities. The picture of rain days. Measure the rainfall using a rain gauge. Measure the rainfall using a rain gauge. The picture of rain days. Observe the picture, children. Note down the diagram. You can observe the rain days. Take a 10 centimeter wide beaker. Take a 10 centimeter wide beaker and insert a funnel of the same width. Keep the apparatus is on open place. When it is raining, the rainwater would be connected. The rainwater would be connected through the funnel into the beaker. After the rain is over, measure the amount of water collected in the beaker. Measure the amount of the water collected in the beaker. If depth of water 1 centimeter, if depth of water 1 centimeter, then the magnitude of rainfall is 1 centimeter. Rainfall is 1 centimeter. For example, 1 centimeter. ఒక్కొక్కసారి rainfall 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter కూడా వస్తుంది. Collected through the funnel into the beaker after the rain is over. Measure the amount of water collected in the beaker. If depth of water 2 centimeter, the magnitude rainfall is 2 centimeter. You observe the picture, students. Note down these points. Notes writing. Rainfall. Farmers estimate the rainfall based on the wetness of the soil after the rain. They call it is They call it is Padmu. This much of rainfall is sufficient to start agricultural activities. This much of rainfall is sufficient to start agricultural activities. Measure the rainfall using a rain gauge. Measure the rainfall using a rain gauge. The picture observe the students. Take a 10 cm white beaker. Take a 10 cm white beaker and insert a funnel of the same width. Keep the apparatus is an open place when it is raining. The rainwater will be collected through the temperature. Second one is rainfall. Third one is direction of the wind. Third one is direction of the wind. Third one is direction of the wind. You feel happy in the morning and evening in summer. You feel happy in the morning and evening in summer. At that time, cool breeze blows. You know that there is air in our surroundings, and also that moving air is wind. And also that moving air is wind. You feel happy in the morning and evening in summer. At that time, cool breeze blows. You know that there is air in our surroundings, and also that moving air is winds. Direction of the wind. To take cardboard pieces and cut them the shape. If a arrow and paste. To take cardboard pieces. To take cardboard pieces and cut them the shape of arrow and paste them. Together insert the wooden or iron weight in the middle of the arrow. The needle must be long enough. The needle must be long enough to be fixed on a strong base. Fixed on a strong base. And should allow to move along the direction of the wind. To move along the direction of the wind. మరొకసారి చూడండి. To take cardboard pieces and cut them the shape of a arrow and paste them together. Insert the needle or iron wire in the middle of the arrow. The needle must be long enough to be fixed on a strong base and should allow to move along the direction of the wind. You can also measure wind speed and direction with an anemometer. You can observe the picture, students. Note this point. You can also measure wind speed and direction with an anemometer. Wind speed and direction with an anemometer. Very, very important. Note this point, students. When speed measured by the anemometer. Wind speed measured by the anemometer. You can understand the first meaning is temperature. Second one is rainfall. Third one is wind speed. Fourth one is humidity. Fourth one is humidity. First one is temperature, second one is rainfall, third one is wind speed, fourth one is humidity. Humidity. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. The vapor enters into the air. into the air. In the same way, sea water changes into vapor due to heating by the sun. In the same way, sea water changes into vapor due to heating by the sun. The quantity of moisture in the air is the humidity of the place. If the humidity is high, when it is hot, you feel sweat. Humidity. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. The vapor enters into the air. In the same way, sea water, weather and climate. Weather and climate. You can understand the weather, temperature, rainfall, wind speed and humidity. Next one is climate. What is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called climate of the place. What is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called climate of the place. For example, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, state climate conditions. State first one is Kerala. Kerala climate conditions, cold, rain. Second one is Rajasthan. State name is Rajasthan. Climate condition, hot, dry. Climate conditions, hot, dry. So third one is state Jammu and Kashmir. Climate conditions is cold. Fourth one is West Bengal. Climate conditions is humidity. The Indian Meteorological Department studies climate of your country. Note this point, very important. Students, write the notes. Serial number, state climate conditions. State one is Kerala, climate conditions, cold, rainy. State one, Rajasthan, climate conditions, hot, dry. Jammu and Kashmir, climate conditions, cold. West Bengal, climate conditions, humidity. Note this, the students. What you have learned. Weather affects your life. The factors hot, cold, winds, rain, etc. describe the weather of place. You can measure temperature of a place with maximum and minimum thermometer. The quantity of water vapor in air is humidity. Humidity is measured by a hydrometer. Rainfall of a particular places is expressed in millimeter and centimeter measured with a rain gauge. Anemometer is used to measure wind speed. Climate of a place can be defined after 25 years of weather observation. You adjust to the climate to live comfortably. Climate of a place can be defined after 25 years of weather observation. Very important. The Indian Meteorological Department. Shortcut is The Indian Meteorological Department studies the climate of our country. Must touch in the air is the humidity of the place. If the humidity is high, when it is hot, you feel sweat. Humidity is measured by hydrometer. Very important. Note this point, student. Humidity is measured by hydrometer. Humidity is measured by hydrometer.